Remarkable achievements. Baili Intelligent Technology. Advancing with the times, Baili Intelligent Technology Company Limited is located in Dongguan. Baili is a national-level high-tech enterprise concentrating on providing post-process packaging equipment and overall solutions for the modern intelligent technology industry. According to market demands, Baili has elaborately developed a series of intelligent equipment meeting industrial demands. Its creative products include high-speed intelligent folder gluers, online intelligent integrated inspection, and folder gluer machines, large-width folder gluers, ultra-large-width two-piece corrugated box folder gluers, single-piece integrated nailing and folding gluing machines, and two-piece integrated nailing and folding gluing machines. While guaranteeing the high-speed operation of production lines, its online printing quality inspection and defect control system recognizes any appeared printing defects in time and accurately removes defective products without shutdowns to ensure production efficiency and product quality. Baili has also obtained multiple independent intellectual property rights and invention patents. Baili has met challenges and innovated constantly. With dynamic innovative thinking and rich experience in development and design, Baili has developed a series of intelligent solutions, meeting different customer demands, providing specialized personalized OEM/ODM services for customers. In every process of production, Baili, with its dedicated, sophisticated, rigorous, and efficient manufacturing system, scientific management mode, and advanced testing equipment, ensures every component meets stringent quality standards, guarantees accurate, efficient production. With the annual output of 500 to 500 sets of equipment, Baili has become an industry-leading supplier. From R&D to design to every production process, also to final inspection assembly, Baili carefully debugs and rigorously conducts an acceptance check on every piece of equipment to ensure that both its performance and safety meet the highest industrial standards. Baili has built long-term stable partnership with customers from many fields, including foods, drugs, packaged mass consumption goods, technological equipment, energy, electronics, environmental protection, medicine, and makeup production. With a sales network covering more than 10 countries and regions including Southeast Asia, South America, the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, etc. Baili has become a long-term partner of many well-known brands. Meeting challenges directly, Baili has constantly improved equipment according to customer feedback. Moreover, we have set up a specialized technical training center to cultivate high-tech technicians to offer the industry, built a new industrial ecosystem to quickly respond to customer demands, and contributed to their steady corporate growth to achieve mutual benefit. Each month, we deliver 12 to 20 technicians to the end users. Baili would like to create a bright future with you through technology. Baili concentrates on post-press packaging equipment with a broad vision and strives to continuously promote industrial innovation. Baili enables Chinese intelligent equipment to play a leading role in the technical transformation of the global packaging machinery industry, bringing more possibilities to the world.